Sanibonani and welcome back to another hot review of our favorite show, Uthando Nesithembu, Season 8, Episode 21. This episode was quite interesting. There were a few moments where I felt ukuthi mhlawumbe bengadingeki nje bekuningi nje kwenzakalayo. For one, I don't think they should have let Umseleku speak on stage. I think bekumele kube khona umuntu othembekile obekiwe ukuthi amkhulumele, and if they all agreed ukuthi he is okay enough ukuthi angayikhulumela, they should have at least coached him on what to say, tell him to keep it short and simple, and also let him know ukuthi masebembona ukuthi usekhuluma izinto ezithe phecelezi khona umuntu ozosukuma amphuce mic kahle yabo, so he understands ukuthi why kukhona umuntu oseceleni kwakhe while he's speaking to people yabo, engatreatwe ngathi useyingane ingakwazi ukuyikhulumela. This party nje was just not it for me. Abantu bebengekho happy. It was not a happy moment. It was more like nje sad. And I think Thanksgiving would have been more appropriate ukuthi besha ama-speech kanjeyana and be all sad and just realize ukuthi hey, we almost lost our father, our husband, yabo nje be-praise and everything. This event, I think for me, was supposed to be fun and light-hearted. Overall, it was just underwhelming. I feel like they got the theme right, they got the decorations and everything right, even abantu indlela bebegqoke ngayo, they got it right. But from the MC to the music to the overall flow of things, it was a bit off. I think iqale nje ngokuthi abantu befike late, yonke imood yavele yaphansi, and nanokuthi ke Umseleku akekho right. Mhlambe they should have waited kancane ukuthi abe right then do it. But also I understand ukuthi ukugula kwakhe Umseleku kubathusile, so that's why they want to celebrate le birthday yakhe, because they didn't think it was gonna happen after he fell ill. They should have got him mhlawumbe like a Felix Hlophe or someone nje ohlekisayo ozoletha nje that fun, the light mood nje to the event, since it is supposed to be a fun, event. And maybe also a gospel singer, just a little section yana to praise the Lord for ukuthi umsindisile Umseleku would have been a nice touch to the event. But overall bekubonakala ukuthi le event iplanwa umuntu vele obenganaso isineke, umuntu obenza just because ubebekiwe as umuntu ozo-organize le party. But if bekuwumuntu obenothando nesineke and actually someone ohlale phansi wayicabanga lento, kunezinto that I saw ukuthi bezingenziwa that were not done. For example, kuyabonakala ukuthi vele uMangwabe akamfuni uSne, because I feel like uSne was supposed to speak there as usisi omdala weingane zakaMseleku. I also feel like they missed a moment where they could all have come together, beme nje kwi-podium, say a speech, mhlawumbe kukhuluma Macele akhulumele wonke amakhosikazi, asho nje ukuthi siyabonga ukuthi uphilile, usindile Umseleku, siyamthanda. Just present that united front, even though yonke into ayikho right, obviously. Nanokuthi nje decide as all the wives to come early so they can decide ukuthi bazohlala kanjani, so that everything flows kahle nje. But guess uthini, abantu bakhathele ukupretend as if yonke into i-right, so abanendaba ukuthi abantu bacabangani at this point. I thought it was interesting that ingane kaMangwabe yomfana was there. I wonder who wanted him there and for what reason, because siyazi ukuthi Umseleku ucabangani ngeingane zangaphandle. So bringing him on stage was very performative. Personally, mina as a mother I would not have wanted my child to be in the same presence as umuntu who had previously said himself ukuthi yena akayifuni ingane zangaphandle. But then again, when the situation favored uMangwabe, wakwazi ukuthi avume ukuhlukaniswa nengane yakhe for the sake of umshado nokuvala nje ihlazo lokuthi wazala outside of marriage. Now that akasawufuni ke lo mshado, she now feels free ukuthi ayilethe ingane yakhe around the same person owathi akayifuni. So mina, I'm just not going to say much ngalokho, because Umseleku is basically using ingane yakhe to push this narrative yokuthi yonke into i-right between uyena uMangwabe and the son. ekubeni sonke siyazi nje ukuthi things are not good, there is some resentment there, but ke she allowed it for years. She chose umshado over ingane yakhe, and she can't gain leso sikhathi back. Ingane isikhulile manje. And guys, I'll go as far as saying no, number 5 naye ke bekumele bekhona if people were free to bring whoever they wanted to bring, ngoba naye she is a part of the family some way somehow. But ke sana asazi, mhlampe there are things esingazazi ezenzeka behind the scenes that caused number 5 ukuthi angabibikho in this event. But before I continue, I just want to say nje ukuthi umndeni nje kaMacele bakithi nje unobhathi phakathi. They are so rude nje. The faces they were making throughout the party nje were just so unnecessary and rude. Just because ingane yabo umamkhulu doesn't mean ukuthi they should look down on the other wives ney'ngane zabo. Now ke sana sicela nje i-team kaMayeni isondele phambili izonenebulwa njengenduku, nidinga induku nina, because you guys are supporting nonsense ngempela. Yazi ngcono sishaye nina ngoba sikwazi ukumshaya yena, sishaye nina-ke okungcono ngoba wow, animbona umuntu wena ukuthi nje uyadelela yo. But was it because i-chief eyakacele, which is why nje bengayiboni nokuthi yini, because mhlampe akabahloniphi abantu bakacele? Bafethu, like but nimbonile ukuthi bethule kanjani. She was quiet as a mouse ngesikhathi ingane yakhe ikhuluma lapha ibhede, ikhuluma umbhede on stage. Cha, shame. As much as nje ekhuluma iqiniso at times, akakwazi ukukhuluma, akanayo approach, akanayo timing, because I'm seriously beginning to lose respect for her. Shame. And let's not forget how she spoke with the MC ngesikhathi engena embuza ukuthi ahlalephi, because MC was just doing his job. Ngale ndlela nje bekhuluma ngakhona naye nje, I was just like so turned off ngempela. And then when it comes to moments between uMangwabi ney'ngane zakhe, telling them ukuthi usezohlukana nobaba wabo, I don't think it was necessary ukuthi ikhombiswe on screen, but I guess it showed those who were worried about ingane not accepting i-divorce yabazali babo ukuthi bebone ukuthi uMawande actually gets it. Nanokuthi ke vele ingane zohlezi zifuna ukuthi abazali bazo bebe together as long as go healthy. The positive thing about all of this is that uMawande actually watches the show and can see for herself how both parents contributed to the divorce, and hopefully that will translate into closure le azoyidinga masekhulile, because obviously uzohamba ayohlala noma wakhe somewhere else, and she's now going to grow up very differently from most of our siblings akhe. So in that sense, she is lucky ukuthi uyokwazi ukuthi why her parents broke up, okudlula most of us esibona nje sekuthiwa okay, we are moving, usuyohlala le, sihlukene nobaba wakho, kuphele kanjalo kungekho umuntu okutshelayo ukuthi what exactly happened, because nalokho kuyasiza to know, to understand ukuthi how like izolo beku right and now sebehlukene abazali bami, like what happened. So she can be able ukuthi ayibonele yena ukuthi okay, it was a toxic situation, ngisho noma kuthiwa kwenzakalani, like there was no way ukuthi bengaqhubeka behlale ndawonye. And then finally, the moments between uSne nobaba wakhe, I thought it was really sweet, and I hope ukuthi nje after all of this nje the relationship becomes stronger and stronger. NoSne ashintsha abe ingane elungile bakithi yo, and nje konke nje kubahambele kahle bobabili. And that is all I have for episode 21. But as always, I would like to hear your thoughts on this. Please be sure to comment down below, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly subscribe so that our community can continue to grow. As always, thank you so much for the love and support. Bye guys.